Did you know some dishwashers are nearly silent, while others are as loud as a vacuum cleaner? At Choice, that's just one of the many things we test for in our white goods lab. I'm Matt, one of Choice's product testing experts. Our latest review features over 50 popular dishwashers currently on the market, including freestanding, semi-integrated, slimline, dish drawers, and more. Each of these is rated based on the results of our tough, independent lab testing. We assess soil removal, how well they dry, how efficient they are with energy and water, and many other aspects. 2 quick facts that might surprise you. Over 10 years, running costs can differ by more than $1,000, even between dishwashers with similar performance. Price doesn't mean good washing performance. One model outscored several premium options, costing 2 to 3 times as much. Want to know which models are really worth your money? Join Choice and check out the full review.